My Simply Gilded box for the month of May arrived, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. Here is the foiled journaling card. Here is the B6 notebook with black paper inside. These are 2 little heart sticky notes. Here are the vellum and acetate sheets. Here is the vellum sheet. I just wanted to show you it's more green, not black. Here are the half sheets of stickers, as well as the icons and the bow seals. Here is the 2 full sheets of stickers. I like some of the colors. Here is the pin with the black gel ink. Here is the washi tape with the gold foiling and like the palm tree look. Here is the B6 cover, and this is giving me like Chanel vibes. I like that it has a little heart. I really do like the quilted, and you stick your B6 notebook inside, and it has a little pocket and a pin loop and a little D-ring for a charm or anything else. This is really cute. Here is the mystery item. It's a white jelly roll pin. It'll be able to write on the black B6 pages, as well as a little heart that was black sticky notes. I've never had one, so this is cool. Here is everything I received for the month of May. I only really like 3 things out of this box, and I don't know, I've never had a box that I don't really like, but this is a first, and I'll be giving the stickers away to my daughter. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.